they're paying you $75. Now, before you say, wait a second, yeah, right, how's that work? Well, in the world of affiliate marketing, that's basically what you're doing is you're referring somebody to SoFi. They are so confident in their back end, in all the services that they offer, and I'll show you that in just a second, that they're willing to take $100 per person because they're paying the new person $25 and they're paying the referrer $75. They're willing to part with $100 because they know they're going to make it on the back end in the long run. So it's very strong for a company to do that. Now, this $75 that you're going to earn is immediate. When somebody signs up and they get their $25, there is a little bit of processing time. I say give it maybe 2 or 3 hours processing time. But once it processes, that $75 lands in your account, your online account, and you can then spend it right then. So you also are going to receive a card in the mail within 5 to 10 business days. And that card is now a card that you can go to an ATM machine, you can use it, and you can pay for things with it. So really what this is just another account that's easily set up. You can use it even for play money, separate from all your private money. They do ask for the same information that if you were to go into the bank up the street, that if they were going to ask for information, they're asking the same information here at SoFi. Very, very simple. But let me show you the power of this for those folks that are networkers, and not just for yourself, but if you're a networker, this is a great credibility piece. This will let your group know that you keep your ear to the ground and you bring them great products, because they can do the same thing and they can earn. And there is no networking structure here. It's not like 3 levels down or 2 levels down, you're getting a little piece of it. No, it's just a front line. Everybody you share it with, you get $75 as a thank you referral bonus. Same thing is offered to them. Now, here's the only unfortunate catch. And I just laugh at it because there's a lot of room there. And they said the cap is $10,000 in commissions per person. So that's why I say you literally can make $10,000 between now and Christmas. Let me just pull my calculator up right now. And if I were to go 10,000 divided by 75, that's 133. If you have 133 people that you share this free app with, you're going to get $10,000 between now and Christmas. And so let me show you how immediate this is. I'm just going to hit the back button here. It'll take me into my account. Okay, so you can see right here that I just signed up. Let me just go to my transactions here. Okay, and so this shows right here that I put the 50 in. It gave me my $25 bonus. And here's just folks that I've referred to, just sharing it with some friends and family. And I've just begun. And so $450, that's total available balance. That means that I can use my card number associated with this account, and I can go and purchase things online. And then when the card comes in the mail, I can go withdraw this. I've actually taken this card and connected it to my Apple Pay through the app as my default card. And I can now, without even receiving the card in the mail, I can go pay for gas. I can pay for any bill I want online that I could use Apple Pay. So this is something that is so excellent right now to get people some cash on hand and really to see what people are made of. Like if you want $1,000 for Christmas to make your Christmas nicer for your family, how hard are you going to work to get that? If you need 5,000, how hard are you going to get that? 75? No, what? 133 divided by 2 is what? 70, 61, 68 or whatever, 65? 65 people, $5,000. How bad do you want it? So it's here. They've also said that they can shut this down at any time. So I say go get it while the getting is good.